For a long time, AI has felt harmless. You ask a question, it gives an answer, you close the tab and move on. Well, now AI is no longer limited to such talking. Some AI assistants can open apps, click buttons, fill forms, manage files, and even book flights the same way a human uses a computer. Not just imagination or rumor, it's already happening. These systems are often called AI agents. Instead of just responding to prompts, they're designed to complete tasks from start to finish. You don't tell them every step. You give a goal, and they figure out the steps on their own. Insane, right? So, how does this actually work? At a basic level, these AI assistants connect three things together: language understanding, decision-making, and computer access. First, they understand what you want in plain language. Then they break that request into smaller actions. And finally, they execute those actions on your computer. For example, if you say, "Book me a flight for Friday evening," the AI doesn't just search for flights. It opens a browser, visits booking websites, compares options, fills in details, and completes the process step by step. From the outside, it looks simple, but under the hood, the AI is constantly making judgments. Which site to open? Which button to click? Which option looks correct? And that's where things get interesting and risky. Because once AI can control software, it also inherits the power and mistakes of a human user. If you can accidentally delete a file, so can AI. If you can click a fake link, so can AI. If you can be tricked, so can AI. The difference is just speed. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't hesitate. It can repeat mistakes instantly, at scale. Another concern is access. To do useful work, these AI assistants often need permissions files, emails, browsers, apps, sometimes even admin rights. That means they operate inside the same digital space as your private information. Now imagine an AI misunderstanding a command, or executing a task slightly differently than intended, or interacting with software that wasn't designed to be used this way. Small errors can become big problems very fast. There's also the issue of trust. When AI performs tasks for us, we naturally stop paying attention. We assume it knows what it's doing. We let it run in the background. And over time, we give it more responsibility. That's not because we're careless. It's because automation feels safe, but it's not. Some AI assistants run locally on your machine, which sounds safer. Others rely on cloud services. Either way, they interact with real systems, real data, and real accounts. If someone finds a way to manipulate the AI through misleading instructions, hidden prompts, or compromised software, the AI could be used as a tool against its own user. Not because it's malicious, but because it doesn't understand intent the way humans do. AI doesn't know what should happen. It only knows what it's allowed to do, and if it's allowed too much, the consequences can be serious. We're entering a phase where AI is moving from passive help to active participation, from answering questions to taking actions, from observing workflows to running them. That shift will save time, reduce effort, and change how work gets done. But it also demands better design, clearer boundaries, and more awareness from users. The danger is that we'll give it control without fully understanding what that means. The real question is whether we're ready to manage AI. Because once machines start acting on our behalf, the line between assistance and autonomy becomes very thin. Whenever technology crosses that line, the impact is never small.